Honey? Babe. Honey, wait. Lillian! Why would you kiss me? Why did you kiss me? And I'm talking to you, why did you kiss me? You're sorry, sir. Why would you kiss me? What if my wife was around? Why would you kiss me?
I thought you wanted it.
You thought I wanted a kiss? What if my wife was around? You shouldn't have done that. This is my house. My wife is around.
She's around, but she's upstairs.
She's upstairs?
Yes.
You see what's happening?
Sir, leave me alone.
What is it?
Leave me alone.
Calm down now. What you have told me that my wife is not around. At least I will respond to it.
Please wait now. We're still in the sitting room.
You said my wife is in the room. You know she likes pressing her phones, so she will not easily come outside.
Sir, wait now.
What is it now? Listen, I just like the way you give it
wait
to me from
now.
the back.
I don't like what you're doing. You're my boss. Please, stop doing
We're
this.
doing this now. This is not the first time we're doing it. Why are you sounding like you don't like it?
So this is not the first time you're doing it? It is not the first time you are doing it.
You told me she's not around.
See!
You told me she's not.
I am asking you!
Babe, it's not what you think.
This is what you do.
I thought it was your lips.
You thought it was my lips.
Yes, I was actually.
And you made a statement regarding on what people have been doing.
No. I mean.
Why have you been sleeping with my maid?
I mean, what me?
Our maid, for crying out loud, Steven!
Babe, listen.
How could you even stoop so low to go for the maid?
Babe, you know I misplaced her lips to
You misplaced her lips to mine.
It was you that kissed me.
How
The
could
lips
you?
sounded-
Keep quiet!
Sorry.
How could you? So if I go out to work and bring food to your table ever since you lost your job, the only thing you could do in return is to sleep with our maid? Steven, I am asking you, our maid! You don't even have a class, you don't even know. How could you? Huh?
It's not
Big one, I'm asking you, how could you sleep with our maid? House help, how could you? She has been telling me this. Oh my God.
Telling you what?
She has been telling me.
What have you been telling
How
my
you've
wife?
been stalking her room.
What have you been telling my
How
wife?
you've been following her every time anywhere she goes to.
Told her everything.
Have you not been the one disturbing me, following me around?
Shut up.
Trying to seduce me? Babe,
Shut up.
babe, you have to believe me. She has been the one trying to seduce me.
The next word you will say, I'm sorry, I'm going to forget my hands on your face. I am going to forget the fact that you're my husband and I'm going to deal with you.
Babe, you are at least
How
someone.
could you?
She was the person that kissed me. Not even.
Shut up, I kissed you. I did.
I knew it. The lips sounded like.
Keep quiet.
Sorry.
Your lips sounded like being tasted like mine.
Yes.
You are mad. How could you be this despicable? The house help has been telling me how you've always been stalking her room every time.
I am not though.
She'll be cooking in the kitchen, you go and grab her waist.
No.
She'll be in her room trying to sleep, you come to her bed.
No.
And tell her you want to sleep with her.
No, I don't do that.
Are you not worthless?
You've been doing it. That's why I had to report you to madam. You've been doing
So have you not been enjoying it? I've been doing it. Do what? What did I do? No, listen.
She has been enjoying it.
No, I was misplacing her waist to your
Come
own.
inside.
I am sorry.
Just come inside.
I'm so sorry.
I'm sorry.
Babe, it's
You
what
are
you think.
so despicable.
Babe, listen, it's not what you think.
You are so disgusting. You are so stupid. I tend to ask myself, what made me fall in love with you? How was I even able to marry somebody like you?
Baby, listen.
How?
I'm sorry about that, but it's not what you
I
think.
thought you were reasonable. I thought you were sensible. You even stepped so low to have an affair with our house help.
Babe, I am not having an affair. Listen, let me explain this to you. I am not having an affair with the house help.
You were about
It's
to.
just that she has been trying all her best.
Shut up.
I've even told her I don't want.
Keep quiet, I'm talking to you. Keep quiet. Are you mad? I'm trying so hard to calm down. Are you mad? I will forget the fact that I have been the one putting the business in this house and I will deal with you. I will call the police and I will tell my father about it. Are you mad? Keep quiet.
I'm sorry.
You disgust me.
I'm sorry. At least
I am so ashamed of you.
Babe, look at her waist.
I am so ashamed of you. Keep quiet.
Bring this kind of person to the house. Walk her out. She's her away. At least let us have our peaceful moment. Most of the things she's doing in this house is not even worth it. We can do it together. I can even do it.
Disappointed at you.
Babe, listen. Babe, can you just hear me out?